What's up, YouTube? It's your boy King Solo HD, and on this channel we're gonna be talking about life, money, cars, red pill knowledge, and more. But today we're gonna be talking about how to deal with people that don't like you and or hate you. Stay tuned. One thing that I've learned is that you cannot care, You have to try not to care too much, because what they're feeling has nothing to do with you. It has everything to do with themselves. So if you are on your way to success and you feel like you're getting there pretty fast, don't stop because of what other people are saying, what they're thinking, their actions that they're taking to try to diminish your path. Now, when I say deal with haters or deal with people that you believe do not like you, you don't necessarily have to deal with anything. You can ignore them, get their thoughts out of your head, because whether you realize it or not, we're human beings are in a way telepathic. So you can pick up on people's, especially their body language, which is non-verbal. You pick up on their non-verbal behavior, and you could tell, like, yo, this person don't really rock with me. And then you go from there. And when you realize they don't rock with you, you have to play it safe and protect your own energy and take a step back. One thing to keep in mind: your haters and people that do not like you will always be watching you. Someone that's hating on you or dislikes you is dealing with their own insecurities. And you being successful and driven and fighting your fears and going after things is making them feel extremely insecure about themselves. And you are a reflection of that. They are fearful, especially if you're in the same industry or same realm of reality, and you're sort of doing the same things. They might be your friend, they might be your coworker. They are fearful that you are going to pass them with flying colors because your drive is bigger than theirs. They may be cheating the game and you are not. You are going by the book. And so you're going to get to your destination a lot more smoother. As life goes up and down, you're going to get to your destination a lot more smoother than they are, because they are cheating the game. No matter what you do in life, you are going to gain a hater or someone that doesn't like you. That's okay, because if you didn't get any haters, or if you didn't gain anybody that does not like you, that means you're not doing anything. So if you don't have any haters and you don't have people that don't like you, get off your butt and get to work. Another tip, or another trick you could say, to deal with haters or people that don't like you is to give them a send-off. If you don't know what I mean by that, this is what I mean. When you give someone a mental send-off, you're actually releasing that energy that they have put on you or try to put on your mind, and you send it away. You let it go. You let it be free, and you let it go, because remember, it has nothing to do with you. So your job is not to hold on to that stress. Your job is to take it in and release it and let it go. Send it off. Goodbye. Sayonara. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see some more videos in the future, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.